Hello friends, welcome to Club Crafteria. If you are new to this channel, subscribe my channel by clicking the subscribe and bell button to get more videos. In this video, we are going to see how to crochet this beautiful peppermint Christmas tree ornament. For this, we are using two colors of yarn, crochet hook, cutter, needle and a stitch marker. To do this beautiful peppermint Christmas tree ornament, we want to know the basic stitches like slip knot, single crochet and slip stitch. It looks beautiful and it is easy to do. It is beginner friendly project. So you can use your scrap yarns for this project. It is very easy to do. So now let's see how to do this beautiful Christmas tree ornament. Start with a slip knot. Do 20 chain. Yarn over, pull through the loop. Yarn over, pull through the loop. Yarn over, pull through the loop. This is what we say it as chain. We have to do 20 chain. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. After doing 20 chain, it looks like this. Next, we are going to work in the second chain from the hook. 1, 2. We are going to do a decrease. So, insert the hook in the first stitch. Next, insert the hook in the next stitch. So, now we are having two loops on this hook. Yarn over, pull through both these loops. Now you have two loops on the hook, yarn over, pull through both the loops. So now we have done a decrease. Decrease is nothing but joining two stitches into a single stitch. Next, stitch single crochet. Insert the hook in the loop, yarn over, pull through the loop. You'll have two loops on the hook, yarn over, pull through both the loops. This is what we say it as single crochet. Next, stitch single crochet. Insert the hook in the loop, yarn over, pull through the loop. You'll have two loops on the hook, yarn over, pull through both the loops. So likewise, you are going to do single crochet in each stitch till you reach the last stitch. After doing them, it looks like this. Last stitch, we are going to do one more single crochet. So at the end of this round, you will be having 19 single crochet. For next round, you are going to change the color. So insert the hook in the loop, yarn over, pull through the loop. And we are not going to finish it off with the same color. Instead, we'll take the next color, pull through. So for next row, do chain 1, turn your work. We are going to work in the back loop. So if you see here, it's a V-like structure here. So this is the front loop and this is the back loop. From this round onwards, we are going to work only on the back loops. So we'll be doing 2 single crochet on the first stitch, only on the back loops. 1, 2. Place the stitch marker in this first single crochet so that we will not miss the count. Next stitch single crochet only on the back loops. Next stitch single crochet only on the back loops. So we are going to do single crochet in each stitch only on the back loops till you are left with last 2 stitches. In this last 2 stitch, we are going to do a decrease. So at the end of this round, you will be having 19 single crochet stitches. After doing single crochet in each stitch, the back loops, it looks like this. Now we are left with the last 2 stitch. So we are going to do a decrease. Insert the hook in the first stitch. Insert the hook in the next stitch. Yarn over, pull through both the loops. You'll have 2 loops on the hook. Yarn over, pull through both the loops. Now we have done a decrease, that is joining 2 stitch into a single stitch. For next row, chain 1, turn your work. You are going to do a decrease. Insert the hook in the first stitch. Insert the hook in the next stitch. Yarn over, pull through both the loops. You'll have 2 loops on the hook. Yarn over, pull through both the loops. Next stitch, you're going to do single crochet in the back loops. Next stitch, single crochet in the back loop. Next stitch, single crochet in the back loops. So likewise, we'll be doing single crochet in each stitch till you reach the stitch marker. So in the stitch marker stitch, we are going to do 2 single crochet. So at the end of this round, you will be having 19 single crochet stitches. So after doing single crochet in each stitch, it looks like this. Now we are left with this stitch marker stitch. Remove the stitch marker. You are going to do 2 single crochet in the back loop. 1. For next round, you are going to change the color. So the second single crochet, you are not going to complete with the same color. Instead, we will take the other color and pull through. For next row, chain 1, turn your work, do 2 single crochet on the back loops. 1, 2. Place the stitch marker in this first single crochet. Next, do single crochet in each stitch only on the back loops till you are left with the last 2 stitches, and in the last 2 stitch you are going to do a decrease. So at the end of this round you will be having 19 single crochet stitches. After doing them, it looks like this. Now we are left with the last 2 stitch. The last 2 stitch you are going to do a decrease. Insert the hook in the first stitch, insert the hook in the next stitch, yarn over, pull through both the stitches. You'll have 2 loops on the hook, yarn over, pull through both the loops. Now we have joined 2 stitch into a single stitch. For next row, chain 1, turn your work. You are going to do a decrease. Insert the hook in the first loop, insert the hook in the next loop, yarn over, pull through both the loops. You'll have 2 loops on the hook, yarn over, pull through both the loops. So we have made a decrease. Next stitch, single crochet in the back loops. Next stitch, single crochet in the back loops. So likewise you are going to do single crochet in each stitch till you reach the stitch marker. After doing them, it looks like this. Next, remove the stitch marker and do 2 single crochet on the back loops on that stitch. So in the second single crochet, you are going to change the color. So we will not complete with the same color. Instead, we will take the other color to finish it off. For next round, do chain 1, turn your work. So you have to repeat the same process. That is, we'll be doing 2 single crochet in the first stitch. Then do single crochet in each stitch in the back loops till you are left with the last 2 stitches. And we will do a decrease in the last 2 stitches. Then chain 1, turn your work, make a decrease in the first 2 stitches, then do single crochet in each stitch, and in the last stitch you will be doing 2 single crochet and will change the color. So you have to follow this pattern till you are done with 30 rows. Each row should have 19 single crochet stitches. After doing them, it looks like this. Next, we will join this end with the other end. Place like this, through, chain 1, do a slip stitch in the same stitch by joining both the pieces together, yarn over, pull through and pull through the other loop. So this is what we say it a slip stitch. So we'll join them using slip stitch. Take one loop, take the front loop of the other side and do a slip stitch. Take both the loops in this side, the other side, take the front loop, yarn over, pull through the loop. Yarn over, pull through the loop. So it looks like this. Likewise, you are going to join both the sides using slip stitch. After doing them, it looks like this. Next, do chain 1, extend the yarn little bit for weaving. We are going to use this yarn to weave both the sides. So you have to leave a little amount of yarn here and snip off this yarn. So next we are going to join this side. So likewise you are going to join them till you reach this end. How we join this side, same way we are going to join this side as well. After weaving them, it looks like this. Next we can make a hanging. Do chain 10, 1, 2, 3, 4 and you are going to do a slip stitch in the same stitch and do chain 1. So we are ready with the hanging. Next we can weave this end. Peppermint Christmas tree ornament looks like this. If you like this video, like, share, comment this video and also subscribe to my channel by clicking the subscribe and bell button to get more videos. Thank you friends.